What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, you guys seen how that purple thing has came along, man. You guys seen the wheels on the car and everything, man. It's time to get this Road King situated, man. Everybody's working on their own time, and it's kind of upsetting me, man. But, you know, it is what it is, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got that 14 Road King back there. We are trying to get the bar switched out on now. Our boy was supposed to come through, but you guys know everybody got their own plans and stuff, man. So we're gonna be trying to get these bars switched out here. Not only switching them out, but I'm switching them out for my first time, man. So I done already watched a few videos. The bars here is like kind of jacked up and everything, so it's not much we got to do to get them things off. The hardest part for me is probably gonna be putting the wires and all that stuff back through the bars. I'll probably take it to like BBV and have them do it just to play it safe, but we are gonna try it, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special or my 14 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Our paint job for our Road Glide is done, but our paint job for our Road King is gonna be even sicker, man. I really can't wait to see how this thing comes out. So guys, stay tuned for that. But meanwhile, let's get right into it now, shall we? Now, this bike already has bars, so it doesn't need no wire extensions or nothing like that. So basically all we got to do is take off the hand controls on both sides, and then on this side it should be a little pull piece, a little freaking throttle wire that runs all the way down, and it unplugs in here, man. So we'll fish off this headlight and stuff because this stuff got to go anyway. But yeah, man, let's just try it out. I mean, we ain't got much to do. We can't really screw it up because it's already kind of jacked up, but we do got our other bars, so let's check it out, man. Here go our bars here. Let's get these things untaped up and check them out real quick. Nice little chrome daddies with a little, like, looking good. And chrome daddies got a hit. I love it. Can't wait, man. Let's see what we can do, man. I got faith, man. It's my first time, and I'm gonna have to learn it like sooner or later, man. So I might as well freaking test it out on this one, man. So let's set you guys up and see what we can get done. And of course, everything on there was like broken and whatnot, so there's no use of like trying to save those parts. But I'm gonna just get like a quick picture of how everything is connected in here, and we'll be good to go, man. So let's try it out. Yes, sir. And just like that, y'all, we got these bars off. Now, I know they said the hardest part is probably taking the putting these things in, and I'm not really about to do that, man. So I already know me, man. I like making it easier on myself. So I'm gonna take these bars and these wires with those bars down to BBV. They gonna lace them up for us, get all the controls and stuff on them, and all we gotta do when we come back is just bolt those suckers up, man. So pretty simple so far. I'm hoping it stays that way. Let's keep it going, dog. Next day, got our bars here up to Harley, dog. Alrighty, guys, man, next day here, we are on our way to LA to pick up our truck. Can't do much without the truck, man. I'm tired of driving my i8. As cool as it is, gotta save the miles on it, man. So let's hop on this plane to LA and get on up out of here, dog. Alrighty, guys, we done made it back to our truck and pulled up to a freaking gas station here. Got our BMW wheels in the back, man. We need to throw these in the back of the back because it smells like straight tires in this car right now. All right, so now that we got some breakfast, we got our tires loaded up in the back. We about to pull up on Antonio. Our freaking motorcycle parts was supposed to be done like a couple days ago. Our Camaro is supposed to be done like this upcoming Saturday, man. So I'm trying to figure out what's the hold up here, man. So let's pull up on Antonio unexpectedly and see what's going on, dog. We got some body work going on here. It's looking good, smooth now. Smooth.
You want to pay today?
Okay, cool.
No, right now, today.
Yeah, no, it's all good. It's all good.
That one.
All these is ready to go already.
So ready for pay. So I need.
Oh, yeah. Next day here, man, we got our bars back, wires out, car clean, truck here. A lot of new things is going on, man. We went to go check out our wheels and get them all together and everything, but, you know, everybody's on their sweet little time, man. So it looks like the week is just starting about to ramp up, man. So I'm going to I'm going to put these bars back on there, snatch that floorboard off, switch out some stuff on that bike, man. We got a few little parts in, so we're going to get it taken care of real quick, y'all. And just like that, we got our bars on there. All tightened up, good to go. Hand controls work, throttles work, or at least I'm hoping so. Now I can take the gas tank off of that Road King, throw it on here and do all that stuff really quick just to check it out. But I'm pretty confident I got it just because I had the video previously. So got all the wires in there, got everything zip tied back up. Now it's just a matter of waiting for, probably can snatch these forks off now that I think about it. I don't know, we'll see, because we still got to put the cups and stuff, so maybe not, but got to snatch some stuff off of that bike. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. We was all over the place this video, but we got a bunch of little stuff done, man. So literally next video, we should be seeing like literally both of these things come together, man. I'm tired of freaking waiting. Tired of getting played, telling me stuff is gonna be done on a certain day, man. So it's like, it's nothing I can do else right now but take this little few things to the powder coat and get it going. Even when we think we're done for the day, we're never really done for the day, man. It's always something we can be doing. So we dropping our little pieces off at the powder coat spot, and then mama back there literally knocked out right now, man. So we gonna get back to the crib. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I definitely appreciate it. I know we was all over the place this video. Took a few days, but you know, it is finally that time to shine, man. Antonio did send us our picture of our paint set and this little part and everything, man. Our wheels is done for pretty much both bikes. So literally today is SEMA, so it's time to regroup our whoop, get ready for that, head up to SEMA, and then tomorrow we'll be scooping all our parts for our Harley Davidson, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide Special or my 2014 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. First place will be our Road Glide. Second place will be our Road King, man. We did get the bars on our Road King and some other little stuff. We dropped off some pieces at the powder coat, so I literally can't wait to get both of these things done. They'll be done probably about the same time. But meanwhile, our gold bike is pretty much about to be heading out of here, man. I did just go pick up my truck. So it looks like it's gonna be top of the week for that thing, man. We're gonna be heading up to Northern California. Can't wait for that. So if you guys haven't, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.